Hey guys, it's me, Adam, and I'm making this video because I want to know if I'm the only one having this issue. I'm having some sound issues with Halo. It's nothing bad, but the problem I'm having though is when I'm getting into big firefights, everything just kind of sounds like garbage. Like it just you can't define certain guns. I feel like the audio is just it's not poor, but it's just it sounds like you can do better. Um, I don't know if this is a problem, but I did notice that in one of the cutscenes, the lip sync with the voice was way off by like a quarter of a second, which is pretty big. And I'm just saying, I'm trying to figure out if I'm the only one that's having these issues. If I turn it up, and I've checked all my sound systems. I went to my system settings on my Xbox, and I made sure I selected 5.1. I've got my sound system on the 6-point channel one, which is technically all the speakers, but it is set up to 5.1. I have adjusted my audio to my room, so the way that they bounce off, I've adjusted my time delays properly, and all that stuff. I've also checked the connections. I've checked the connections to all the cords. They work fine. They're all in working order. But it's only on this game I'm having this. It's not really a problem. I'm the only one wondering if the audio just sounds like crap. Another thing I noticed is that if I shoot something from I don't know, 500 yards away in a tank and it explodes, it sounds like it's as loud as if it went off right next to me, which I don't know if they have because the other Halos didn't sound like that. I know that for a fact. And I'm trying to figure out if I'm the only one that's having this problem, or if this is a problem, or if this is how the game just sounds. If it does, I'm fairly disappointed with that. Everything else is fine. Just the sound quality is crap, and I would expect something better from a company that's been, I don't know, how long has it been? Yeah, 2006? No, yeah, 2006, 2007 for the Halo, so that's a good 5 years, and the audio sounds like this. I'm a little disappointed. But let me know if I'm the only one having this issue. So, life is good. Yeah.